So I just stumbled upon this integration called blender-mcp that connects Blender with Claude AI. It's like giving Blender a brain.
Wait, really? That sounds super cool. What can it actually do? Like, is it just for creating models or something more?
It's actually pretty extensive. You can create, modify, and even delete 3D objects right from Claude. Imagine talking to your AI and saying, make this dragon green.
That's wild. But does it require any programming skills? I mean, can anyone use it?
Great question. It does involve some setup, like installing an add-on in Blender and configuring some settings in Claude, but it's not overly complex.
Got it, so it's accessible but has a bit of a learning curve. What about the commands? Are they straightforward?
Totally, you just send JSON commands to execute tasks in Blender. It's like chatting with someone who then goes off and does the task.
JSON commands. Okay, that sounds techy, but how does that work in practice? Any real-world examples?
Sure, you could say, create a low-poly scene in a dungeon, and Claude takes care of the 3D modeling magic. Instant dungeons.
Wow, that's super convenient. But what if the AI misinterprets the request? Like, what if I wanted a dragon and got a pigeon?
Haha, that's definitely a risk. The communication could be a bit imperfect. It might not always nail exactly what you envision.
That's true, but it does sound like an exciting way to brainstorm. Imagine the creative process.
Absolutely, it's like having a collaborative partner who's always ready to execute your wild ideas. But are there security issues here?
Good point. The ability to run Python code could be risky. You don't want it to accidentally mess up your work, right?
Exactly, it's advised to always save your work before executing any commands. Safety first.
Makes sense. So it's powerful but can be dangerous if misused. I wonder what limitations the platform has.
Well, there are some. Complex operations might need you to break them down into smaller steps. Patience is key.
Ah, that's kind of a bummer, but understandable. I guess AI isn't perfect yet.
Right, it can do a lot, but it's still learning. And there's also the challenge of ensuring the right environment variables are set.
Environment variables. That sounds like it's going to be a tricky part for some users.
Yeah, they can get pretty technical. It involves configuring host addresses and ports, which can be daunting.
So, is there a community or support to help users who might get stuck?
Yes, they have a Discord community where users can give feedback, share ideas, and get inspired. A collaborative space.
That sounds encouraging. A supportive community can make a huge difference. Any notable names behind this project?
Oh, definitely. Some contributors are recognized developers. It's nice to know there's backing from experienced folks.
This really sounds like it has potential. I could see artists and developers alike finding it useful.
For sure, it broadens accessibility. Even someone without technical skills can start creating 3D models.
But it's still essential to think critically about AI dependencies. What happens if the service becomes less reliable?
Exactly, that's a solid worry. If the integration faces issues, it could halt creative projects, which is not ideal.
I guess it reminds you that while AI brings great tools, users need to stay alert and adaptable.
Right, balancing technology with personal creativity is key. So killer features aside, it all boils down to user experience.
Absolutely. Engaging with new tech should always prioritize user experience and safety. It's a never-ending, evolving game.
Totally, so to wrap it up, what are you most excited about with blender-mcp?
I think it's the potential for limitless creativity. AI could redefine how we approach 3D modeling.
That's a great takeaway. I'm excited to see how users will explore these new possibilities.
For sure, it leaves me wondering, how else might we see AI transform creative fields in the future?
That's the million-dollar question. The future's looking pretty bright yet uncertain.
And isn't that the thrill of it? The possibilities are endless. Let's keep our eyes peeled for what's next.